got a great gift that's going to promote great dental hygiene, because do you know what plaque is? It's a collection of germs and bacteria on and in between our teeth. And if you don't properly remove it through proper brushing and flossing, it can lead to gum disease. And then it's a domino effect that can lead to a lot worse. Sonic brushing has been proven to be better than manually brushing to remove plaque from your teeth. We've paired that in one device with a water flosser, which is a lot easier than string flossing. We're going to show you how. And so we've brought to you this complete care system from WaterPik. Here to tell us all about it is Denise Repko. And
Hello.
Hello. This has been really popular. It's got
really
a ton of 5-star reviews online.
It sure does. Well, this is WaterPik, and WaterPik is a name that's synonymous with superior oral health and hygiene. It's been around since 1962, so over 50 years. And you got it right. We brought you the best of our sonic technology in brushing and the best water flossing. This is a professional grade unit. We call it the 1-2 punch. It's all in one system.
And you can only get it here, by the way.
Right, this is exclusive to QVC.
And if you already have it, call us. Our testimonial line is wide open, and we'd love to hear what kind of difference it has been making in your oral health.
Absolutely.
All right, so what are we getting here exactly?
Well, actually, we're getting 4 brush heads, so that's enough for either one person for an entire year, or if you'll notice at the base of the brush head, they're color-coded, so you can actually share this with 4 members of your family. Just change out the head, swap out the head when you're brushing your teeth. If you have anyone in your home that happens to have bridges, crowns, veneers, braces, any type of orthodontia, these right here are going to be worth their weight in gold. So these are just our regular jet tips. This is what we added that's new. This is your tongue cleaner. So when you were talking about bacteria and germs, this is going to really help you out with that. This is your periodontal pickpocket, so if you have any issues with that, that's going to be great for you. This is your stubborn plaque seeker, so the plaque that tends to really, really stick deep around that gum line, going to help you. This one right here, I want to go, ah, because my son had braces and my husband had braces. And see those little blue bristles?
Yeah.
That is what's going to help you get down between the wires and the brackets of those braces, so that when they come off, all that money that you invested will be nice and shiny and give you a beautiful smile.
So that's why we call it a complete system.
Yes.
And let me tell you, you're getting a lot more for less. Let me show you the value that we're bringing to you here at QVC. You can get all these pieces and put it all together yourself. It's a total value of $105. We did so much better than that. $89.94 is what you'll pay here at QVC. And not only that, we give you the option of breaking it down over 6 months' time with our easy payment plan. So half a year, that's $14.99 a month. That's 50 cents a day for better dental health. I would love to see how it actually works, though.
Oh, absolutely. Well, we have really fantastic animation that kind of shows what Sonic is, because it's hard to explain to somebody if they've never really experienced it before. But with Sonic technology, you get 30,000 brush strokes per minute. And these aren't regular brush strokes. They're actually sonic pulse vibrations, which get the plaque, bacteria, food particles that are stuck between your teeth. Then when you want to kick it up to the next level, that water flosser not only gets between your very tight teeth, around the top of the teeth, the back of the teeth, but you see how it gently lifts around the gum line? So really, there's no place in your mouth where food can hide. And I'll show you a little brief demonstration of what it looks like. This here in this glass is some simulated debris. I don't know if you're able to see this little brown line. So here's manual brushing, not a whole heck of a lot going on. This is Sonic on low. Here's Sonic on high. And watch, all I'm doing is gently running that brush along that simulated debris, and there you go. It's gone. So the brush does the work for you.
So if I've never experienced sonic brushing before, what does it feel like? Is there any pain involved?
No pain at all. It's very gentle, and as I showed you, this has a low setting and a high setting. Now this brush will run for 2 minutes straight in a sequence on its own. Every 30 seconds it'll give you a little pulse stop, so you'll know when to change to the next quadrant of your mouth. But if you don't have 2 minutes to brush your teeth, you can always turn it off manually on your own. Also with water flossing, this is one that people get a little intimidated by. If you've never water flossed before, I want you to know this is a fully customizable unit. It's so simple to use. This is your water reservoir, which, by the way, you could put any temperature water in you like. If cold water tends to bother you, put warm or tepid water in. You can also boost it up with a little bit of your favorite mouthwash too. On-off switch, and then here's what we added to this unit. A little knob that goes up and down, a button that goes up and down, where before you had to push the button in. This dial goes from 0 to 10, so you can customize how much pressure you want. So if I show you what this looks like, this would be our very special proprietary way that WaterPik brings that water delivery system to your teeth, to your gums, around the gum line, to the back of the teeth, to the top of the teeth, to those places every mouth tends to have where things get stuck. This is on a level 2, so this is very soft and gentle. It's like a power washing for your teeth or a spring cleaning for your teeth. But the most important thing is it makes you feel like you are just out of the dentist office clean. And go ahead.
Now, I do have a question about using the water flosser.
Yes.
Can we use this to replace string flossing, or is it recommended that we do them in tandem?
You can do both if you like. It's up to you. I mean, obviously, you can't take this unit with you when you're out on the road, so you want to floss with string or tape. You absolutely can. But what I love about this is it's just so convenient, and it's a great alternative, too, because some people don't necessarily take to the string or the floss.
You know, I just went to the dentist office, and you hear the dentist and the dental hygienist always asking, do you floss?
Do you floss?
And then if people say no, right?
Yeah.
That's they're saying, you gotta floss. You've gotta floss
It's
at least
so
once
important.
a day.
Yeah.
Right? So if you said, well, I just don't have the time, or my gums bleed. Well, gums bleeding, that's a sign of gum. You got something
You know
for me on
what?
that?
And I sure do. And I'm so glad that you said, because we've done clinical studies on this. And the clinical studies that we've shown is that WaterPik Flosser proved to be highly effective in removing significant amounts of plaque. In another clinical study, the WaterPik toothbrush and the flosser were found to be an effective alternative to manual brushing and dental floss for 3 very important things: reducing bleeding, gingival inflammation, and the plaque removal. So all those things that the dentist will tell you, you want that just out of the dentist office clean. You want perhaps a little less scraping, picking, prodding when you go to the dentist.
Yep.
You want a gold star when you come back from the dentist. Try this system, because I guarantee you, once you try Sonic and once you try water flossing, you'll never want to be without it.
Well, this is exclusive to QVC. So this configuration you'll only find here. You're getting the Sonic toothbrush, and you're also getting the water flosser with the additional brush heads and the additional pick heads, even the travel case for your toothbrush, and at a great value. You're getting a lot more for less, because you would pay $85 for the WaterPik system with none of the additional tips.
Right.
So that would cost you, once you add those additional tips, $105. We're able to bring it to you at a featured price of less than $90, and in addition on our easy payment plan. 6 months over time, that's 50 cents a day on your credit card. So I'm telling you, it's a great investment, because like you said, you know, if I get to go to the dentist, you know, twice a year, and that's it, no other worries, that's a good year, right?
Oh, it is a good year. I mean, so many people say they have fear of the dentist. You don't have to be afraid of the dentist anymore if you use your water flosser and your Sonic technology. So again, there's your simulated debris. I'm just simply running that along that piece of glass. And look, I didn't scrub, I didn't simulate 30,000 brush strokes per minute, because I couldn't do that manually.
30,000.
30,000, exactly. And it's pulse sonic vibrations, so it's actually vibrating the food particles that get stuck off. And then that next level, this makes all the difference in the world. There are things that still are stuck in your teeth after sonic brushing that you will be amazed that comes out when you use your water flosser. And it helps to promote healthy gums, too.
Well, let me tell you, the reason I like when I go to the dentist, when I come out, when I run my tongue over my teeth, they feel so smooth.
I know.
You'll get that when you use your WaterPik system, because you're getting right down at the gum line.
Absolutely.
Shirley in Colorado, she is on the line.
Sorry, Shirley.
We just wanted to say hi real quick. Shirley, I hear you picked up the WaterPik.
I did.
Now, is this for yourself or a gift idea?
This is for myself.
Nice.
And have you ever used a sonic brush before?
You know, way back when. I mean, this, many years ago, and I hadn't seen one, and I was took up to see this on the air. I have to be on blood thinners and can't get my teeth cleaned regularly as I'd like to by the dentist because of that. And this is a perfect solution to good oral health care and not worrying about any problems, because I'll know that the gums are clean as well as the teeth.
Right, right.
No, that's perfect, Shirley. Well, I'm glad you caught the presentation. And you know what? It's actually kind of fun to use it. I love using the little WaterPik. It really does get in there, but it's in a gentle way.
Yes, I'm really looking forward to it. I was just tickled pink to see this.
Oh, good.
And looking forward to it, because, like I say, it is a good solution to a problem I was wondering how I was going to solve, and this is it.
Oh, good.
And be sure you check with your dentist.
Tell them you're
will.
using it. Okay.
Absolutely.
Well, take care, Shirley.
Yes.
Happy holidays to you.
Thank you.
And you guys too.
All right.
Thank you.
So much.
Bye-bye. And there is that
There
the
it
water
is.
flosser.
Special proprietary way that WaterPik delivers that water, teeth and gums for a healthy smile.
Well, 250 of you have dialed in and said, you know what, I need to have my teeth